sit back in your seats, get something to eat, and watch this movie. Don't let the kiddies see it, because, well, we'll let you hear the beginning first. Thank you.
Pepe, get your behind behind that bar. I got a guest.
Johnny says, Spanish. How's the beans?
I've had worse.
Johnny says,
Senor Madrid, care to join me at my table where I entertain my guests?
I would be delighted, Monsieur Dakota.
Take the bottle with you.
And Pepe comes over.
Hey guys, my name is Gary. I'm not a bartender. Welcome back to another episode of Casually Drinking. Today, we're going to be continuing the series Cocktail Cinema, in which I make drinks from popular movies. Today's episode, we're going to be making a drink from one of my favorite Tarantino movies, Once Upon a Time in Hollywood. And the drink is a whiskey sour, which happens to be Leonardo character Rick Dalton's favorite drink. Here are the ingredients we're going to be needing, so let's get to mixing. And there you have it, the whiskey sour from Once Upon a Time in Hollywood. Let's give this drink a try, shall we? Goddamn. I said goddamn, that's a good drink. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe if you did. If you'd love to see me make a Cliff Booth's Bloody Mary, you can click the link down below. I'll also leave a link to where I got this mug on Amazon. As always, guys, see you on the next one. I'm actually gonna take this